Piano Squad, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, before we get into the video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, give this video a huge thumbs up. So today, look down here.
We are going to show you the slime kit that I made by myself.
Yes, and
so
also,
it is very nice. I made it all by myself out of cardboard. So this is make your own slime. We got glue, borax, dye, and glitter. And then the bonus items, we got slime, oobleck, and we got a sticker where if you color over it, it will show what the sticker says. And then we got to mix them up, and you mix this, and it makes that pretty color of slime. And then make your own oobleck. Then we got the ingredients for it, that and the cornstarch, but the cornstarch isn't in there yet because I ordered cornstarch because we don't have any more, so it's going to be coming tomorrow. And then we got this. You color what color you want your slime to look like, and then all the storage bags for making all your slime and oobleck. And then we got what will your oobleck look like. You color it right here. And this item used to be $15 because it was just this part of it and this part, but I added a lot of more things, so we decided to make it $20, but now it's going to be $25, but we're allowed to go a little bit lower.
And okay, so also, you can also get your scrunchies in the description box below.
And so make sure you can come by and get this slime kit. It is amazing and you will love it, and it's perfect for parties. So thanks guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye!